lion, fox, leopard and vulture. And lion is the king of forest. And one day lion decided to make a court. And then he decided to fox is an advisor of king. He is king lion. And then leopard is bodyguard of king. And then vulture is messenger of king. So student, now we see one day they are going to court and they are going to the hunting. So now we see what happened in this story. Now next, so you open your English textbook and listen carefully. So student, now you open your English textbook, page number 10, lesson 1.4, the king choice. In previous lecture, we had seen that student, the fox, vulture and leopard all went well in the court, and all these three courtiers never disagree, means never opposed to the king, means lion. And now next paragraph. When the lion king went hunting, they found the animals for him to kill, and after he had his meal. So student, when the lion king went to the hunting means kill to some animals, they found the animals, they means the leopard, fox and vulture, all these three animals found the animals, means other animal, found the other animals for kill, and they found animal to lion for killing and meat. He left the remains for them, so they always had enough to eat. Means all these three courtiers found some animals to kill for lion, and then after the king had finished his meal and left which part is left, so remaining part he give to these three animals. So they always had enough to eat, means they all satisfied to their food. One day the vulture come back from a flight. What is meaning of flight? Student, flight means a journey by air, means to fly. So one day the vulture is come back from flight. So and then it said that Your Majesty, have you ever eaten a camel? And then it asked that Your Majesty, to king, Majesty is respected word. So it asked that Your Majesty, have you ever means you have eaten camel, sorry. Then he asked, and it is very tasty. I ate it once in the desert. So student, you know camel is live in desert. So the which bird? Vulture. Vulture asked to the lion, have you ever eaten a camel? So then he said that it is very tasty. So I ate once in the desert. So then the lion had never seen a camel, but he liked the idea of trying camel's meat. So student, then lion is king, so he had never seen camel, but he liked the idea of trying to camels, means he want to eat camel. So then, but where can we get a camel? He asked. Means then lion asked to the vulture, but where can we get a camel? Where we found a camel? Then there is a desert some miles away, said the vulture. I was flying over it when I saw a lone camel not far away. It looked big and fat. So student, then the vulture said that there is a desert some miles away. Miles away means the far away. So there is a desert some miles away, said that vulture. And I was flying over it when I saw it. When vulture is flying over the desert, at that time he saw a camel. So not far away, means he is not near to camel, but it looked big and fat. Then vulture said that the camel is look like a very big and fat. Now next paragraph. The lion looked at his other advisors. They were wise and experienced. He wanted their opinion. Now the fox and the leopard did not know the desert, but they did not want the vulture to seem wiser than them. So they said, since it was the vulture's idea, he should lead the way. Then student, the lion looked at his other advisors. Means who? Other advisors means fox and leopard. So they were wise, means they were clever and also experienced. And he wanted to their opinion, means lion asked to their opinion, what about camel's meat, means they are eat to camel or not. And now the fox and the leopard did not know the desert, and also the fox and leopard did not know about the desert, but they did not want on the vulture to seem wiser than them, and also they did not want that vulture is more clever than them. So they said, means fox and leopard said that this idea of vulture means eat to camel's meat, it is whose idea? Vulture's idea. So they said that he should lead the way, means on the way of desert vulture is leader. Then next, early next morning the lion and his court start off on the camel hunt. Means in next morning, next day, lion and all his courtiers start off on the camel hunt, means they are going to the camel hunt. So they reach the edge of desert easily, but after they left the shelter of the forest, the day became very hot. The sun shone down with fire hot rays. So student, you know, in desert there is a very hot atmosphere, there is no trees, no shelter. So there is a very summer, very hot summer, means very hot atmosphere. So they all these means lion and also leopard, fox and vulture, they reach where edge means border of the desert easily, very easily they reach there. But after they left, when they left the shelter, means after they left the forest, and they see that the day become very hot and the sun shone means this is the past tense of shine, and sun shone down with very fire, means very blast rays, very hot rays of sun. Student, look at this picture. This is desert picture. Look at this lion, fox, leopard and vulture, and also very hot sun. So there is no tree to shelter, no greenery, all is very hot atmosphere, and all these goes to the hunting to camel. Okay student, you understand up to here? So in next lecture we will see that the what happened in this story, means what happened with these all animals, lion, leopard, vulture and fox. Okay student, you read the story at home. Okay, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.